There once was a small clock that hung on the wall of an old workshop. Every second it ticked proudly, keeping perfect time. Tick, tick, tick. It believed it had a purpose, to remind people that every second counts. But one day the clock stopped. Its gears jammed, its hands froze, and its once steady rhythm fell silent. The clock thought to itself, maybe my time is over. Maybe I was never meant to last. Days passed, then weeks, then months. One morning, a little boy walked into the workshop with his father. He noticed the clock hanging on the wall and said, "Dad, why don't you fix that clock? It looks sad." The father smiled. He took the clock down, placed it gently on the workbench, and began to work. For hours, he cleaned its gears, replaced its old parts, and gave it the care it needed. Then suddenly, tick, tick, tick. The clock came back to life after being silent for so long. It was ticking again. As it ticked away, the clock realized something powerful. Even when it had stopped working, time had not stopped. The world kept moving, and when someone believed in it again, it got a second chance. Sometimes life will make you feel like that broken clock. You'll stop moving, stop believing, stop trying. But remember, being stuck doesn't mean your purpose is gone. It just means you need a little fixing, a little patience, and a little faith. Because when someone, maybe even you, decides to give you another chance, you'll tick again. And this time, you'll never take another second for granted. Every second counts. Keep ticking. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs a little hope today, and subscribe for more stories that remind you your time, your purpose, and your strength still matter. So keep believing, keep moving,